Yan, hello po sa ating lahat, no? So, welcome po ulit sa ating channel po. Ito na po yung day 5 ng ating discussion po. Creative Technology 8. So, ito po yung ating question. Imagine you are planning to build a house. Would you start construction without a blueprint? Pair with your seatmate and share why engineers and architects use simulation or model first. Yan, isulat po yung answer po niyo sa inyong notebook. So, ano po yung ating na-discover? So, just like buildings need blueprints, so electronic projects use simulation software to design and test circuit safely before building them in real life. So, yung topic for today's discussion is all about simulation software overview po. Differentiating Proteus, Eagle, and Multisim. Ito pong mga simulation software po ay ginagamit para sa paggawa ng mga motherboard sa mga appliances. So, objectives po nito is to differentiate simulation software sa Proteus, Eagle, at Multisim. Yun. What is simulation software, by the way? Ito po yung mga tools na used to design, test, and analyze electronic circuits and systems without physical components. So, just like a blueprint po sa ating sa ating paggawa ng bahay, ito pong simulation software na ginagamit natin sa motherboard ay ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga engineers para gumawa po sila ng mga maliit na mga motherboard hanggang sa malaki po na mga motherboard. Yung benefit po ng simulation software, it can save cost, time, and reduce errors before real implementation. Ito po yung mga examples or mga famous na software, simulation software na ginagamit natin. Una po is yung Proteus. Ginagamit po ito sa mga Arduino, PIC at saka ARM circuits. Beginners friendly po ito. Pwede po natin gamitin sa mga estudyante natin, especially po sa grade 8. Next naman po ay yung Eagle. Ito po ay na specialize sa PCB, printed circuit board. It has strong schematic capture and layout editor and preferred by industries for professional circuit board manufacturing. Marami pong mga similar na mga softwares sa Eagle kasi yung Eagle po ay malapit na pong mag-out of commission. Baka sa 2025 ay mawala yung Eagle. So, pwede na yung ating substitute na gagamitin natin sa paggawa ng PCB ay KiCad or KiCad. Pwede po yun gamitin. And sa huli naman na simulation software ay Multisim. So, focus on the electrical and electronic circuit simulation, realistic SPICE simulation environment, and popular in education and research lab for analyzing circuit behavior. Yan, ito po yung mga table po ng ating mga ginagamit na software. Yung Proteus po ay para talaga, specialized talaga siya sa Arduino. Pwede tayong gumamit ng Tinkercad na ginagamit natin sa previous na slides. Eagle, focus po siya sa PCB design, industry standard PCB layouts, and professional PCB manufacturers. Last naman po is yung Multisim, circuit analysis at design, accurate SPICE simulation. Ginagamit po ito sa schools at researcher. Sa ating quarter 2 po na competency ay gagamitin po natin yung Eagle. Kasi po ito po yung requirement sa ating curriculum guide para po sa STE. Yan, why is simulation software important before building an actual circuit? Because it could save time, costs, and reduce error before the actual implementation ng ating PCB. If you are designing a PCB for a phone charger, which software would be the most appropriate? Yung gagamitin po natin dito ay Eagle kasi pwede po natin ma-adjust yung board dimension ng Eagle at pwede po tayong mag-customize ng mga electrical components na ginagamit sa phone charger. Which software would you use to Arduino code with an LDE before actual wiring? So, nagpo-focus po siya sa Arduino, gagamitin natin na simulation software ay Proteus. Yan, yung exercise po natin is each group research one assigned software. They create comparison chart for its purpose. So, pwede po sila gumamit ng graphical chart. They need to present that one the recommendation. Kailangan po silang gumawa ng scenario, ano pong gagamitin na software para sa appropriate na software na kanilang scenario. Yan, for the assessment po, multiple choice, which surface software is best for simulating Arduino on PIC circuit. Yung answer po nito ay yan, Eagle A. Number 2, Eagle is mainly used for designing PCB layouts. That is 2. And number 3, Multisim is widely used in schools and researcher for circuit analysis. Now, for our reflection po, tatlong sentence na po minimum. Write a reflection guide by this question below. How do simulation software protects electronics? And why simulation software is important in motherboard design? So, for ating challenge po, stability is the backbone of reliability. Recognize the type, choose the form, and let your purpose guide the way you communicate. So, that could be all po. Thank you for listening.